So, hello madlang person. Let's play Cheese Horror Escape. So, let's go play. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so, it's your life. So, tigma to the diri. Okay. Tabang. Okay, so, nanat sa safe zones. Okay, so, think wala na siya. So, let's go find some cheese for bulldog. Namaya sa bulldog eh. Okay. We are finding cheese. What is this? Can't go. There's cheese. I need to go there. Okay, so safe zone. Okay, so click to open. Hala, nang balik ra gud ta dire. Nang balik, hala. OMG. So, diri ta mga dead end. So, dito na lang ta mga diri ta pa street. Okay, sir. Arachis. Iskar. Upper cheese. Click on the eye. Okay, so I don't know what to say. But yeah. See, we have 1/9 and now we have 2/9 because I have cheese. English. So I think when I finish my cheeses, I will I will tabang, please help me, I am under the water, please help me. Hala, araw, dakong ilaga, I'm scared of ilaga. Hala, nagipon siya, dili ta makagawas. Ay, okay, I need a green key. Okay, so I will end the video. Please like and subscribe. I know this is short, but yeah, I will end the video. I will make a part 2, promise you guys, promise I will make a part 2, promise. So yeah guys, bye. Hit the notification button, subscribe.